Hey, it's Brian with Dynamic Air Services. Today I was traveling up into Santa Margarita, and I was looking up at Saddleback Mountain at all the dust and ash that was blowing out of the Holly fire right down into Santa Margarita, Mission Viejo. And I got to thinking, we install air cleaners into every single new system that we install. A lot of you may not even know you have it, but you do. If you've had a new air conditioner installed by us, go ahead and go to the thermostat, turn the switch for the fan to the on position, and it'll turn your indoor fan on. And below the furnace or next to the furnace, we have a Aprilaire air cleaner that can go ahead and take all this dust and ash out of your house. Close up the doors and windows, run the indoor air fan, and get that air cleaned in your house without even having to go to the store and buy anything. So just a little reminder for everyone that's had a system installed by us, and for those of you who haven't, they're very inexpensive, free items that we put in with every installation. So if you have allergies or dust issues, or you just want your house a lot cleaner than normal, have a lot of pets, this stuff works great. At my house, during the Santa Ana condition like this, I generally have to change mine every 30 days. So give us a call, and for our existing customers, enjoy a little tidbit for the day. Thank you.